Hello, I wanted to share with you one of my favorite products in Shaklee, and that is called our Vivix. But what is Vivix? Well, Vivix is the #1 anti-aging product in the world. In fact, it has 27 global patents on it. But what makes it so unique? What makes it so different? Well, Vivix is made up of a very high level of polyphenols blends, 13 times more powerful than resveratrol, and it is made off the muscadine grape, literally the byproduct that was being thrown away. So the research that you have in Shaklee Vivix and what it can do for the cells is very important. In fact, our cells are triggered and attacked by over 500 trillion times every minute, not only by a modern diet and toxins in the environment, but also by the unavoidable cellular wear and tear of simply being alive. So what does that mean to us? Well, our cells get bombarded and we are factored with everything from cell phones to technologies to rays, then to chemicals, to our foods, to our diets. Everything affects our health. And that in turn affects how our cells are able to keep building and if we're able to create a healthy lifestyle for us. Our cells literally hold our DNA, our pattern of life expectancy. So Vivix is scientifically proven to slow cellular aging, and that is extremely important in order to have a long, healthy lifestyle. One of the things I also will put out there, Vivix of all Shaklee products is our most expensive, but it is 100% worth every single penny for what it will do and what it is clinically proven to do in our body. So what does it do? Well, Vivix does all of this. One, it protects DNA from damage. It neutralizes free radicals. It protects against oxidative stress. It blunts inflammation response. What does that mean? You eat a fast food meal or a high-fat diet. If you take Vivix beforehand, it totally blunts any inflammation, which through time peaks within 4 or 5 hours. Taking Vivix, there is no peaking. It totally blunts it. Truly amazing. We have the studies on that. It reduces formation of damaged aged proteins and powers cellular energy production. One of the things that they also find with Vivix is it speeds up your mitochondria, and that is very important on cellular aging. Because as we age, or if you have a genetic dysnormality or issue, that really slows down and gets very sluggish. Taking Vivix, it speeds it right up. It comes in 3 amazing forms, and you can take it however you deem or what you want to it. These are the clinical studies, the proven science of our product and what it does. So taking this product can actually repair DNA damage, slow cellular aging. The inflammation blunting is amazing. That one is just so incredible for me because in my history, I have a TBI. I was in a really bad car accident and I can get the migraines and the headache. So I right away feel my inflammation. Taking Vivix, it literally, you can feel the blunting taking place and how that can help stop it. Again, not saying anything that it will stop it or prevent it, but that's what works for me. As we age, our body starts slowing down, our cells can't fix and repair as fast. They say a child heals the fastest from an injury or something happening. And through our 20s to our 40s, most people have a very fast pace of recovery and healing. But after the age of 50, our bodies cannot repair at the level that it used to do pre the 50s. And that's why you have so many health issues that creep in there. Arthritis, diabetes, stroke, heart, those indicators of poorer health really hit past age 50. And we just feel more tired and sluggish. So you're looking at ways to boost the or boost the cellular energy, the telomere shortening rate. I want to talk about that one just a little bit because that was discovered by Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn out of United Kingdom. She won a Nobel Prize in medicine for her discovery of telomeres. And the telomeres are literally like that shoelace cap at the end of each one of your DNAs and then your cells. And what they found is if somebody takes Vivix for 5 years, their telomeres of an 80-year-old is the same telomere length as a 40-year-old non-smoking San Francisco Bay Area person. That was amazing for me when I love research and science to look into to actually see those studies. And if you have any questions or you want to see those studies in particular, they're right here for you. We have some amazing videos you could definitely check out as well. The different studies are pulled up here as well. You can just see how. And they're laid out. So here's the test, the studies, the science is right here for you to take a look at and check out these amazing products. And who is what and what is Shaklee? What company made this amazing product that can do so much? Well, they're actually the most clinically proven nutrition company in the world with short, medium, and long-term proof that their products work. And this was off a 20-year study done through Berkeley University. It's called Landmark Study 1. And then there's Landmark Study 2 done through Tufts University. And what it showed was by taking Shaklee's recommended products, which is our protein, our multivitamin, B's and C's, carbohydrates and omegas, gut health products, which is our probiotic, people had significantly better health than no supplements and other supplement users. We have taken that through not only 20 years, but 30 years to show the results, and the numbers speak for themselves. The telomere shortening rate is truly amazing of how this one will work to guarantee better overall health, life expectancy that people have through it. So yes, the research, the science is here. You can read these studies off my link that I'll post with this video, but Shaklee can guarantee significantly better health, and that's why I love to be able to share this information with you today. But that's what I have on Shaklee's Vivix. Again, it comes in 3 amazing forms of gummies, it comes in gels, and it comes also in liquid form. So you can figure out what form works best for you, and wishing you all the best of better health by giving Vivix a try to guarantee to have better cells, better energy, and blunting inflammation to you and your body. So if you have any questions, definitely check this out. Would love to hear from you. And thank you for listening to my video today.